Hey guys, so today we're playing Beeswarm Simulator. So, this update is actually kind of sick. Is there any way I can get to a secret area? Yeah, so, I forgot to say what we're doing in this video. Today, we are playing absolute dog crap Beeswarm games. This one is called Beeswarm Experts. What is epic? Are you macroing? Yeah, I don't know a single person that would play this game. So, let's play a few seconds of it. Hello. Oh wow, they actually used a different... Okay, that's enough. Beeswarm Simulator Reborn! What? Okay, this is literally Beeswarm. I bet I can get up there. Easy. This game is so reborn. No, Bucklebee's ball! Yeah, this is literally old Beeswarm. Except with stuff. Oh wait, no, this isn't old Beeswarm. It's literally Beeswarm, except it's frozen in place. Okay. Owner admin. Let's see. Liar. I'm pretty sure this is Beeswarm, guys. This is literally how the fucking dipper works. Oh, cursed Beeswarm. This isn't cursed at all, except for this guy. Don't forget to try this game. Save the LP. What happened? What the? Whoa. Okay, wait, is this actually high quality? What? I'll give it to you, he tried. Yeah, it might be bad. We still have a year until this ends, let's go. Yeah, he tried, you gotta give it to him. All of these games are a copy and paste. This is Beeswarm Absurdity. I bet I can literally get to the next area. What if I just jumped? Okay, Kiki, you gotta stop moving my screen. What the? What are you? I don't want to get bees. I'm too lazy. Hatches into a basic bee. Bro, it said it hatches into a basic. Beeswarm Simulator, why? Okay, so from the thumbnail, I think this is from an animation. Yeah. Okay, wait, I'd like to give this a shot. Let's see, honey. Yeah, honey. Oh, wow. That's a lot of honey. This is kind of just scattered around, I guess. Oh, I have to work. Where is my bee? You're not my bee. Let's see this cool little fan game. Oh wait, I played this. Yeah. That was a crappy Well, Jelly, I don't think I've tried to get out yet. What if I try to do it on another house? Doesn't it? I swear to God, this is just like scratch. Come on, basic B. It's so sad. It feels like he doesn't want to live. But I'm not waiting. Oh. Wait, hold on. What? This literally has everything in Beast Home and more. What? Oh, wow. Oh, 69. Haha, funny guy. Wait, so you're telling me I have everything except for the... I can tell the person who made this is probably a blue hat. Okay, wait, this one? If you're making thumbnails for VStorm, I recommend just using this. There are achievements, you can earn stuff. Shut up. I think you can get... No, you can't. Oh yeah, you can. What? But no, this is where the thumbnail came from last video. Oh, it's kind of well better made. I don't know. How did he get bees? How do you guys get bees? Do they mean bugs like glitches or bugs with like? Bro, that's not a bug. Oh wow, Roblox coin. Swarm sandbox. I wanna be way hive. Okay, well. Yeah, it's a sandbox. What do you expect? This is Bee-Swarm Simulator and it's the exact same game. Bee-Swarm Simulator! Exclamation mark, dot, 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 dot. Okay, let's see you. Oh. Yeah, last I remember this was Beast. Yeah, I think this is Beast Swamp. Yeah. This is cute. Yeah, it's cute. I like it, yeah. It looks like someone put, like, hard work into it. Oh, hey, there's actually someone here. Sorry if I'm not playing a lot of it. I don't feel like working. Okay, bro, now it's just giving me craft blocks. Christmas update. Bee Swarm Simulator. Bee Squad. What is that? Coming soon. This looks like it has dedication. Yeah, and it does. This is cute. Like, blue ladybug. Candy bug. Excuse me. You have been standing here for so long. What? Why is this high quality? Okay, blackberry's even blacker. Okay, dude, I'm Why is New Bear sad? Bee-Swarm Simulator 3! Bee-Swarm Simulator 3. Wait, guys, is this Bee-Swarm Simulator 3? You can't even collect pollen. This is where I collect pollen. Bro, I think this is Bee-Swarm Simulator 3. Okay, there are people who have played this before. If you haven't seen this game, then you... I don't know. I feel like someday soon, Bee-Swarm is gonna get like a 40 bee area, and it's gonna be like really good. Yeah. What is it? Whoa, I love this new red team. Actually, they did add that. maybe Onet does take a little stroll around here every once in a while and, you know, look at all of the ideas he could add. Let's see all of the stuff he's added. Hold on. Scarecrows, this... That would just ruin the purpose of having bees to protect you. This kid has a dream. I bet he probably freaked out when hive colors came out. Okay, tell me why there's only yellow flowers. Okay, wait, honey badgers would actually be a good idea. Or something like dragonfly challenge. They have a robo challenge. Oh. Free time in this one too. Whoop whoop! Get up! I guess I can't. I'm not ready. Do you think it's alright? About movie? Hey, it's a TV show. You go. Nope. Maybe. Who cares? Why would they have a breaker? Yeah, wait, this would be a good idea for the next. If I don't know. Maybe he should add the water for the. Yeah, this would be a good idea for blue houses. They always yap about how they get their stupid little pine tree house, and we have spicy beef. And then they call it everything else. I don't know. It's a cute idea. If one, I think one should add a water in all these areas. They kind of over high expectations, I guess. These are really cute ideas. Anyways, I hope you guys like that. Like this video. Ow. If you guys like this video even more, then like. I don't know what to say. This video is a big pile of nothing. I just joined a bunch of games, left, and then joined a different game. Ooh, what the? Whoa. Bats? What?
Why are you pulling that same truck here, bro? Don't worry, negative cost anywhere 7.
Wow.
This is going on, Chatties. My name is Corbin, and today we are doing the hunt again. I don't know if that's
Just a normal day. Nothing bad's gonna happen. What's that noise? Yo, no way! Lightning McQueen!
Yeah, I'm the best driver. Want to hear how I love my cars and see a cool trick?
Yeah!
Watch this one, you'll love this one.
Okay. No! Lightning McQueen! Lightning McQueen! Does he have a pulse? Do you need me to call the ambulance?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, hold on. No, I don't have call premium! Why?